This thumbnail that you're seeing right here was created using a simple AI tool, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this step by step. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto. On this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things that you can do that can help you grow your business and make money online. So quickly, we're going to get straight into my phone and I'll show you exactly how you can create thumbnails like this for your YouTube videos, because sometimes you may not know, but one thing you should know is that great thumbnails, professional thumbnails, are very powerful when it comes to attracting people to watch your video, when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. So apart from this, I've done this a few times. I used that same AI tool to create these other thumbnails. Before now, my thumbnails were created using Canva app, and most times when you're using Canva app, is a bit slower. Even if you are going to get a good design, is a bit slower because it will take you a while for you to brainstorm, for you to think of the colors you want to use, for you to put your shapes together, for you to look for images that you want to use for your thumbnail and all of that. And at the end of the day, you spend more time trying to design. And even if you're not a designer, you are going to struggle with Canva. But with this AI tool, your work is very stress-free, meaning that you don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to be a professional designer for you to have something as good as this. You don't have to stress yourself. In the space of less than 10 minutes, you can create this beautiful thumbnail. And I'm going to show you the tool that we're going to use. I'm going to show you what the prompts look like. So before we get in, kindly like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share values like this. So the tool that we use to create this YouTube thumbnail is a tool known as ChatGPT. Maybe you must have heard about it before, I don't know, but in case you have not been using this, in case you have not heard about it, this is the tool right here. So to get this tool, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and download it to your phone. And once you download it, you activate it, you can now start using the tool. So I'm going to get into the tool and show you how to use it. So this is the tool right here. Let me load it. This is a tool right here. How this tool works is that you give it a prompt. What we call prompts are the things you type inside this place, the things you are going to ask it to do. So ChatGPT actually makes your work very easy. So I'm assuming that you're a beginner watching this video. That's why I'm taking my time to explain this in clear terms so you can understand what this is all about. So you come here and type whatever you want to get your professional YouTube thumbnail. Now if you come here, for a normal user that doesn't understand how to use this tool, if you come here and just type, I want to create a thumbnail about whatever topic you want to create, this tool will give you a random thumbnail. It will give you a random design. For example, let me show you what it will look like if you come here and type, I want to create a thumbnail design about whatever you want to create. Now if you come to my YouTube here, let me go to the back end of my YouTube. I created a random thumbnail. I used a random prompt. I just typed, I want to create blah blah and it created the title for me randomly, which was not really professional. And I'm going to show you now, it wasn't really professional, but as I continue to test and understand how prompting worked, it helped me to create better prompts, better images, better designs. So I'm going to show you in a moment, but let me show you what your prompt will, your design will look like whenever you just come into the tool and type randomly. I'm waiting for this to load. Good, it's loading up. Beautiful. So let's come to my back end here where you see the videos I've created on YouTube. Yeah, okay, good. Look at this thumbnail that you see right here. This was a thumbnail I created using ChatGPT when I didn't understand how prompting worked. I just went in and typed create a thumbnail for me on how to check your watch hour on YouTube. Then boom, it gave me this thumbnail which showed that this is not really professional. You can see that some of the texts are cut away, which does not make sense. I had to carry this back to Canva to get the best out of this, to get it to this before I posted it. Now, that is the wrong way. Let's look at the right way. What do you do to do it correctly? You have to really explain what you want. Are you getting it now? You have to explain what you really want. So let me show you one of the prompts that I used. Okay, let me show you one of the prompts. Okay, yes, so this is one of the prompts that I used. You can see this first one says give me a prompt on hidden CapCut tricks for my YouTube thumbnail, making it professional just like top YouTubers. Highlights, great colors and textures, also using professional elements, and on like that. So first thing first is to give it a prompt. Tell it to give you a prompt for the kind of thumbnail you want. Are you getting it now? So like the second one says, I want to create a YouTube video thumbnail about how to make money with Canva. Create a prompt for a professional YouTube video thumbnail for this. So when you give it this, it's going to create the prompt that we'll now use to prompt it to give us a very good thumbnail. So let's try that now. I'll copy this right here. I'll copy this right here and I will take it to ChatGPT, right? Yes, let's go to ChatGPT. I'll take it to ChatGPT. Right, let me just remove this. I think my network is having an issue. Let me do this again. Good. So I'll paste that thing we copied. I'll paste it here. I want to create a YouTube video thumbnail about how to make money with Canva. Create a prompt for a professional YouTube video thumbnail for this. So I'm going to click it. You will see it's going to generate the prompt for us. The prompt is what we are going to tell it so that it will create the thumbnail for us. I hope you're getting this now. If you're getting value from this video and you have not liked, please like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss whatever we are sharing. All right, let's continue. Right now you can see that it has generated the thumbnail prompt for us. As you can see, this is the prompt. This is what we are going to now tell it so that it will create the thumbnail for us. So at the end of the day, it will say, would you like to generate a sample image? You tell it yes. So let me just say yes. It's going to start prompting. Watch this now. Can you see the image is already generating? So I'm hoping it's going to give us a very professional image in just a few moments. So let's just be patient. All right, so what you are seeing right here is the image that has been generated. This is a very professional looking AI generated YouTube thumbnail. Can you see this now? So you can actually use this tool to make your work easier and faster. You can see here, this is looking very, very professional, and I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you have questions for me about how you can use AI tools, or how you can make money with AI tools, or how you can actually make money online, or you have any question whatsoever about making money online, just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or do well to check the link in the description for more resources. That's where I'm going to stop for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and make sure to turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in another video. Enjoy.